Pretty little body doesn't like go-go, eh. Know some young like to swing. Know some young like to swing. Big bang, take a little break. Every day spilling up change. I want the whole crew, shawty brave.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshanna, and today I'm rocking this full lace wig from Wiggins hair. Everything about this hair is going to be in the description box down below. And they sent me this full lace 22 inches loose deep wave wig, and I absolutely love it, guys. Look at this curl pattern. It is gorgeous, you guys. It's gorgeous. So basically today you guys are going to watch me style the wig off my head. You're going to watch me style the wig on my head. And yeah, you're going to watch me basically install this into my head. Go give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Make sure you guys go check out Wiggins here. I'm going to have all the information down below. And let's get into the video. So this is what the wig looks like when I first received it. As you guys can see, it is long and curly. It is 22 inches and I believe it is a loose deep wave. And you guys, it's also a full lace wig. I had to say it again, guys. It is a full lace wig, okay? So as you can see, the whole front is lace and the whole back is completely lace, you guys. And there's also 4 combs along the wig. You know, one for each side of your head to just secure your wig. I need to get you alone. Why not? A fucking good time, never hurt nobody. Got a little drink, but it's not Bacardi. You love your girl, then so now using these wig pins, I'm just going to secure the wig to the mannequin as I begin to style it. I'm going to need a lot of these pins to make sure that the lace stays on and that it does not move off, because I do not need this wig falling off when I'm trying to style it. Now to begin styling this hair, I'm just going to be using my styling foam, which is basically just like a mousse. And I'm just going to be applying it all around where I'm going to be putting up, because I'm going to be doing a half up, half down ponytail with this hair. So I'm just applying the mousse in the parts that I want to be putting into the ponytail only. Now going in with my hot comb, I'm just going to making sure that the front is as flat as possible, because I do not want the ponytail at the beginning of it to be looking too bumpy. So I'm just trying to get this flat, honey. I'm trying to lay this hair down. So now I'm just going to be taking the pick of the comb and I'm going to be creating my part on where I'm going to be separating the hair that's going to be going up into the ponytail from the rest of it that's going to be laying down. Also, please excuse the dye on my mannequin. I was dyeing some hair, so it's blue now. I'm going to get a new mannequin. So now I'm just going to repeat the same steps that I did to the other side to this side.
So now I'm just pulling down strands of hair to make baby hair, and I know you guys are thinking, why didn't I just make baby hair before I put it in a ponytail? But honestly, this way is easier to me just because I can focus on getting the hair in a ponytail, and then when I'm done, you know, I don't want too much baby hair, so I could just pull down the right amount. So I felt like this was the easiest way to do so. Finished styling the wig off of my head. Now it's time to put it on my head, and as you can see, I'm just cutting the lace. I like to cut the front of the lace on my head, and then for the sides I actually like to take it off my head and try to cut it. I don't know why, it just works for me. It's my own type of method, but yeah. So today I decided to go with my Got2b spray and use this instead of the glue or instead of Ghost Bond. And I have the stocking cap method on my head, which is why you see that stocking cap on my head. And this really just helps, I don't know, this is like the fastest way to put on a wig if you ask me, with the Got2b spray. So even though this is a full lace wig, I just want to lay down the front right now. So I'm just spraying this all around the front of my head. And I kind of messed up with cutting the stocking cap around my edges. It like didn't line up with the lace, so that was a little bit of an issue, but I fixed it by putting some baby hair. But anyways, now I'm just taking the blow dryer and I'm just trying to get that Got2b spray all tacky so that I can stick the wig onto my head. And if I really want the wig to stay on for a couple of days, I like to do this 3 times. So basically I spray it, dry it, spray it, dry it, spray it, dry it, and then I would apply the wig, of course, when it's tacky. But for this video, I only did it twice, and then the 3rd time I just went around and just got any spots that I felt didn't have enough spray. So now that it's all tacky, I'm just going to put the wig on my head. And as you can see, I like to apply the middle section first, and then I put on the sides, and then I let that stick, make sure it's dry, and then I take the blow dryer and blow it. And then I repeat the same process for the other side. So as I said earlier, I did explain to you guys that I cut the stocking cap a little too low. So you kind of see when I put the wig on. So when I was doing my baby hairs, just a warning, it did kind of get caught in there and it looked kind of messy. But I just cleaned it up by using the makeup wipe. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll see. So for this hairstyle, since I'm doing a half up, half down style, I didn't want to add too much baby hair because sometimes baby hair looks really cute with curly or wavy hair. But for the sake of the video, I felt like I shouldn't add too much. So I just added baby hairs to the 2 sides. So now to tame these curls, I'm just going to take some detangler and I'm going to put this all over the ends of my hair just so I can make it look presentable again, because, you know, trying to style your hair, you do get it kind of frizzy and, you know, you get it messed up. So I'm just fixing it so it can look presentable. So I decided to finger comb through the hair because I feel like it's just a more easier way to not mess up the curl pattern and to still have a good fresh look with no frizz. last and final step, I'm just going to be spraying some water on the hair. Now you can do this before you add the detangler or after, it doesn't really matter. This is just the way that I ended up doing it, and I'm just putting this on the hair so that's easier for me to just get through all the curls, make sure that there's no tangles, and yeah, basically just to keep the hair looking good.
Okay guys, so this is how the hairstyle came out. This hair is from Wiggins Hair. It's 22 inches and it is a full lace wig. That's right y'all, full lace wig. I'm talking front lace, back lace, the whole thing is lace. This is their loose deep wave hair. I love the curl pattern. But yeah, I absolutely love how this hair came out. It's so easy to manage. As you guys see, I was combing right through it. It's not like too many tangles or anything. I haven't received too much shedding yet either, which is awesome. So they were also nice enough to send me some tips to tell you guys as well. So the first tip would be wash and condition the hair at least once every week. You know, it's curly hair, you got to be able to maintain it. And the curls need to stay moisturized and look fresh. You don't want your curls looking old or tangled or anything, so you have to wash and condition it once a week. The second thing is you can use shampoo and conditioner to wash it. If you add olive oil or argan oil, it's going to be a plus. It's going to make the hair more rich. Another thing they say is to comb the ends of the hair, not just like the top to the bottom. Comb the ends, or else you're going to break off some of the hair. You know, curly hair, you need to detangle it as you comb. Even though I would suggest finger combing with this type of wave, but the wave is so loose that you can comb it with a wide tooth comb if you want to. But comb from the bottom up, you guys. You don't want to be ripping out the hair. You don't want to be creating unnecessary knots. And the next tip is when you wash the hair, make it air dry. Do not start putting the blow dryer on it. You're just gonna frizz out the curls, so make sure you guys let it air dry. It can air dry on you, or if you know, it could air dry on the mannequin, it doesn't matter, but let it air dry so that it can create its natural form. I did not bleach the knots on this unit yet. It did come pre-plucked, but if you want to pluck it some more, you really don't need to, but you could if you wanted to. I did cut my own baby hair. It probably did come with a little bit of baby hair, but the way I swooped the top into a ponytail makes it hard for me to know anyway. So guys, this is 22 inches. They do have different type of lengths. I also would suggest putting water in the hair just to keep the hair from tangling and being able to work with it and move with it and put your fingers through it. So those are the tips that I would give you guys for wearing this type of hair. But overall, I definitely love the curl pattern. It's not too wavy. It's like when you want to look cute, but you don't want to have to deal with knots and deal with too much curliness. You know, this is good. You're not going to be too hot in this, and it's just perfect. It also feels very lightweight for curly hair, and it is a lot of hair on the curly hair. It's not thin, you guys. So it's very surprising that it's actually so lightweight, which I actually like, because you don't have to worry about something weighing down your head, especially for a wig. So make sure you guys go check out Wiggins Hair. Everything about their website is going to be in the description box down below, along with any promo codes that they may be having this season, etc. And shout out to them for sponsoring this video. I do love this wig. It's a full lace wig, you guys. It's also very affordable for a full lace wig. Let me show you guys the price actually. So this does go up to 22 inches. The shortest length you can get is a 12 inch. Just to let you guys know. So I do have the longest inch on my head right now. So the price of this wig would be $322. If you wanted a 16 inch, it'd be $211. If you wanted a 20 inch, $265, and if you wanted an 18 inch, it would be $241. So this is definitely affordable, you guys. Go check out wigginshair.com. And I mean, for a full lace wig, guys, this is a really good price. So I believe the density is 180 density, you guys, as well. So that's everything you guys need to know about the hair. Make sure you guys go check out Wiggins Hair. I'm gonna have everything about their website in the description box down below. Go check them out, you guys. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I love you if you watched till the end. I will see you guys in my next video.